Welcome back to Baking with Zach. We're gonna make pineapple soft serve. We're gonna make it with 4 cups of frozen pineapple, a frozen banana halved, and a half cup of coconut milk. Now let's put it all in our blender. It's all in the blender. Now we're gonna need to put the top on and pulse it. It's done in the blender. Now let's put it in our bowl. Look how thick that is. Gotta just clean it up a little bit. And we're gonna put it in the bowl, and it's a delicious pineapple soft serve. Scrape the delicious soft serve. Look how smooth that is. Now, I would recommend to put this in the freezer a little bit if you're not going to eat it right away, or if you have a family members over, you could just serve it right away. But this makes many servings. It's a nice, healthy, cool dessert to have on a nice hot summer day. There's the pineapple soft serve. Right there. It's nice and creamy. Let's taste it and see how it is. That is very good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.